Well, hello, good evening and welcome to Skegness Stadium. It's been raining earlier on, but it's dried out now. Got the cars rolling now for race one for the Whites and Yellows race. So the cars are rolling now. Tom's in a huff because he's popped down his chin with a little bit of help from my hand. It's Tim Warwick to lead them off, along with Dave Smith. 396 Jason Cronshaw. 489, forgot his name, Mullen or somewhat, without an H. So it looks like it's going to be very soon that the show will be on the road. Tom's burping his way along to Stock Car Racing his magic. And they're away racing then for race one for the Whites and Yellows Championship. So it's Tim Warwick then leading in the early running then from Dave Smith, and 489 there moves up into third place. Already the cars are bunching up, and number 50 there, that's Young Linton that's been spun round, and number 67 flies there in the Phil Bicknell machine. And already 378 Wayne Hanley's spun right around there on turn 2. As Hanley boots it around again, the cars are coming into turns 1 and 2 fast. Oh, and somebody clouts into each other down there, so the cars are really racing now. So number 67 there, we're not sure who the driver is of that machine. It's number 344 Downtown Tony Brown's gone on the centre green. Bit of a tyre blasting around there. We've got all the 222 there. They're a bit rusty at this time at racing game. There, Andy Robinson gets all crossed up and out of shape. As does number 507 Neil Smith. So we'll try and find a few positions now. The race is settled down. Somebody else goes on to the centre green. .426 there spins it. He's in one of the Wilkinson machines. There's 140 Andy Robinson spins. Looks like he could be number 80 John Ankerson leading. You've got quite a bit of a traffic jam here on turns 1 and 2. So it's half distance now. And Andy Robinson spins again. He's really pressing on a bit too much. Looks like it could be Jim Conlon actually who's leading this race. Yes, we haven't got a clue who's leading, to be totally honest. It could be actually Neil Long. Yes, he looks like he's motoring on nicely around these turns. Yes, could well be. Very much so, Neil Long then leading. Or is it 489? Well, it's definitely, this is a battle for the lead, I would imagine. Oh, and somebody else has lost a bit of metal off their machine. So it's definitely Neil Long then leading. Down number 79, he was red this time last year, I think. So he should be doing well from yellow, even though this is only a whites and yellows race. Andy Robertson in the thick of it again. So last lap now for number 79, Neil Long. There's number 59, spins it there on turn 1. So Neil Long then, the winner of the whites and yellows race. Full marks to Andy Robinson for Chaos. So the red's out. Neil Long then, the winner of Heat 1.
Celebrations belong to Neil Long. Terrific performance and Neil Long, very, very, 1, 2, 3, best performance.